All right, let's take a look at question number 12. Mrs. Turner showed her students part of the prime factorization of 60. One factor is missing. What number completes the prime factorization? So they give us part of it, but we have to find out what goes there. So we're talking about prime factorization. So we're going to make a factor tree for the number 60. So we're going to start with 60 and we're going to break it down. I know that I can do 2 times 30. There are different ways you can get to 60. So if you did something different, maybe you did 20 times 3 or 10 times 6, that would be fine too. I'm going to start with 2 and 30. 2 is prime because I can only do 1 times 2 to get to the number 2. But 30 is not, so I have to keep breaking it down. Okay, and I am going to do, how about 2 times 15? Okay, you could have done 3 times 10. That would have been fine. But I'm going to do 2 times 15 because I know 2 is prime. And so all I have to do is break down my 15. All right, to get 15, I can do 3 times 5. And 3 is prime because I can only do 1 times 3 to get me 3. 5 is prime because I can only do 1 times 5 to get me 5. So I'm done. So if I were to write this out, I've got 2 2's. So that's going to be 2 to the power of 2 times, I've got a 3, only 1, so it's just going to be 1 3, times I've got a 5. Okay, so all I did was I pulled these 2's right here. I have only 1 3, so I wrote it out. I have 1 5, and I wrote it out. So let's take a look at what we have and what we're missing. So we have 2 to the power of 2. We have the 5, so we're missing the 3. So we are missing the prime number 3 to complete this prime factorization.